my dear students. A fresh morning to all. How are you all? Hope you all are safe in your home. Dear students, in our last science class, we discussed about our new chapter that is about garbage in and garbage out, right? In the last class, we saw many biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Is it, children? Did you remember that one? Okay, fine. And did you do that project work about vermicomposting? Okay, fine. Rahan done it very fast. Like almost 3 days we finished that project work. And now I think your vermicomposting is going to become ready. Okay, Rahan's vermicomposting maybe get a faster result than others because he done that work that day itself. Okay. So students all should have to do that activity, and after 1 month I will check red worms in that vermicomposting. Okay, so students, from that we can understand biodegradable waste like peels of vegetables and fruits and kitchen waste we can use for making vermicomposting, and also we can put it in our plants for making better growth, is it? But what about non-biodegradable waste like plastic bags, covers or bottle? Like this item, how we can reuse it? How we have to use these non-biodegradable waste as useful items? Yes, of course. Nowadays we know that when we are checking in YouTube, many arts are there related to how to make a useful items from non-useful items like this. Okay, and we are using bottle for making different purpose. Okay, maybe for pen holder or maybe for pot for planting plants like that. And also we can use newspaper also for making different purposes. Like yes, can you identify in your school one miss shows that activity how to make a newspaper bag in one video? Could you identify which miss is that? Okay, then all should have to send that teacher name in my personal WhatsApp. This is your toughy question. Okay, so hope you all know how to make newspaper bag. That time she done it very nicely and you all tried maybe, right? And now I'm going to show one activity. It is newspaper activity, newspaper art. Do you all like art, children? Yes, of course. Then we can do some arts. Or should have to take your color pencils or sketch whatever it is and come with me to my workshop. We can do it together. Okay. And for doing this activity, we can check what all are things we need. Here I am using a piece of newspaper, then some color pencils, then glue. If you don't have a glue, you can use glue gun, whatever it is. Okay. And here I'm using glue gun for pasting this thing. Okay. Like this, any cardboard piece or old photo frame, this is actually damaged one, that's why I'm using. Like this also we can use, so we can reuse it. So I'm using this one because it's a frame, that's why maybe that glue it's not working when I pasting that paper. So I'm using glue gun's glue for pasting that paper in a frame. After that I'm pasting this paper in this damaged frame. Okay, so here our photo frame is ready. Okay, then I pasted waste newspaper on that damaged photo frame, and after that I'm going to draw anything else. Here I'm drawing a small branches of trees. Okay, so let's draw simply. Okay, then with the lots of flowers also we have to draw over here. Okay, and give a more thickness to this one. Okay, for making more beautiful. Okay, now our branches is ready. Then give some flowers like red we have to use for flowers. Now lots of flowers are here, and if you need you can give some leaves also with using green color. It's up to you. Okay, you can make more beautiful. It's up to you, children. Okay, here I'm giving some flowers, and if you want you can draw a small bird also. Okay, in this branch, make it more beautiful. If you want to draw a small bird, also you can draw it. Okay, it's up to you. Then you have to shade with black color itself. Okay, and make a small beak. Okay, it's up to you. You can draw it. Students, now my craft is ready. Like this you also have to do. Okay, try to do it, and that video you should upload in Google Classroom. Okay, children, so you have to recycle any items you can use. Even you can use newspaper or bottle arts, anything like this you have to do. And we have to utilize our waste products like non-biodegradable items also. We have to use, recycle, reuse. Okay, students, we need to reduce, reuse and recycle. What is these 3 R? First we have to, let's talk about the first R, that is recycle. For example, we means to turn a waste item into another useful item. Yes, now only we see one example, that is old newspaper can be used to make any art or any bag like that. That is recycle. Next we can check about reuse. That is, for example, when we get plastic bags from a shop, we can keep using them till they tear. Reuse means to use things more than once. Suppose clothes and drawers, okay, or otherwise we have to give for a charity for reusing it. Next we can check about last R, that is reduce. Let's check some examples. Suppose when we are going for a shopping, we no need to ask a plastic bag or polythene bag from the shop, because when we are carrying our own shopping bag, it is very useful. So reduce means to make less garbage. So my dear children, all should have to follow this mantra, that is 3R mantra: reduce, reuse and recycle. It is very beneficial for your life. And my dear students, all should have to read the chapter at least 3 times and do the activity, and also use these 3R mantra every time in your mind. Okay, follow the 3R mantra also. And we can meet in our next class.